Welcome to the session of Python programming. Today we will discuss about variables. Okay. In case of C, you need to declare variable first, like int a, b, then semicolon, all these things. But in case of programming, it is super easy. Like you just have to write x is equal to or a is equal to a is equal to 2, no semicolon, nothing. So value will be assigned to x. In that case, x will be 2, no semicolon needed. If I then press x and enter, it will be 2. Similarly, if I assign another variable, suppose y is equal to 5, then x plus y, enter, it will be 7, 2 plus 5. It is super easy, no need to declaration, any type declaration, all not needed, all these things. Another thing is that suppose after this x plus y, if I write underscore plus 3, what will be the output? Here underscore means output of previous operation. Here means it will be 7 plus 3, output will be 10. This is new in Python. Okay, let's work with some string variable. Suppose we have a variable name is equal to, okay, if I print name then enter, it will print as a string. If I write name plus rocks, it will be rocks. Here plus sign means concatenation. Great. Something, if I write name rocks, it will give error because there is no concatenation sign, and this syntax will not supported by Python. Okay, hold on. Okay, if I write name 0, what will be the output? Remember, your variable name is equal to dist. Here this is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so if you print name then 0th position, so it will print S, right? if I name print name 4, it will be T. Now the question is, if I write 5, what will be the answer? Answer is, it will give error string index out of range, because it is out of the range. Here the range is 0 to 5, right? Now another thing, if I write -1, what will be the answer? Again, this T is -1, -2, -3, -4, and this is -5. So if I write -1, it will print T. If I write -5, it will print S, this way. Okay, again I'm writing again S P I S T. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if I write name, what will be the output? Output will be S P, this way. It will start from 0 and 2 character. If I write 1, what will be the output? It will be VIST. If I write this way, means no exit boundation, it will print it will not give error. Similarly, if I write what will be the output? S P I. By default it will start from 0 and up to 3 character. Okay, now another tricky question. If I write, okay, here 10, but here T is 4, so what will be the output? In that case, it will not give error, it will be IST, then it will be remain blank, as there is no value assigned there. Okay, then if I write my class name. Now new string my, then concatenation sign, then 224 is VIST 0 1 2 3 4. So this will be output. But remember, the value of this variable remains same is VIST. Now suppose 0 means we are trying to change the value of the first two character of the string. What will be the output? It will give error because we cannot change this way. We can concatenate the this way, but the value of this variable remaining same, so we cannot do. Even we cannot write this way, it will again give error. These are the few small things in Python related to variable. One thing, there is some inbuilt function like len. It will give the length of the variable. Okay, that's it about the variable of all this Python, the basic variable concept of Python. Thank you.